So the next question is 0.5 gram of mixture of K₂CO₃, molecular mass is 138 and 38 and lithium ox carbonate. So lithium is 74, Li₂CO₃ is 74. Further requires 30 ml of 0.25 normal HCl solution for neutralization. The percentage composition of mixture would be, okay, we can solve it. I'm considering that we have taken X or A of A gram of K₂CO₃ and B gram of lithium carbonate. So we can say the A plus B will be 0.5, yes or no. According to given in the question, this is equation 1. To form second equation, we have to do the neutralization. So neutralization concept, how it works. We can simply write milliequivalents of K₂CO₃ plus milliequivalents of Li₂CO₃ will be equal to milliequivalents of HCl. Okay. So molecular K₂CO₃ will be milliequivalents is given mass, that is A. Molecular mass of K₂CO₃ is 138. Frequency factor is 2. And this is equivalent. Multiply by 1000. It will be milliequivalent. Next, plus milliequivalent of Li₂CO₃. D upon molecular mass is 74 into 2 multiply by 1000. Molecular of HCl given the question 0.25 multiply by 30. You can solve this question further by putting the values. Okay, so if I can write 2000 A plus 2000 B 8 upon 138 divided by 74 equals to 0.25 into 30. You can use the typical calculation. You can solve by yourself also, but you can use the calculator, it will be much easier. So calculator 2000 upon 138, we will do 2000 upon 138. 2000 divided by 1, it will be 14.492, 14.492 A plus 2000 divided by 74, 2000 divided by 74, 2000 divided by 74, it will be around 27.027 B, 27.027 B will be equals to this 25 3 the 75 or equal to 7.5. So we have this values, some values like 14, can we write like the 14.5 A will be plus 27 B will be equals to 7.5. Second equation. We can, using the first and second equation, if I multiply first equation with 14.5, so 14.5 A plus 14.5 B is equal to 0.5 into 14.5, and this is 14 for second equation 14.5 A plus 27 B will be equals to 7.5. Subtracting 1 from 2, A cancels, so 27 B minus 14.5 B equal to 7.5 minus 7.5 minus 0.5 into 14.5. So 27B minus 14.5B, we can use the calculator. 27B minus 27 minus 14.5, 27 minus 14.5, it will be 12.5B equals to 14.5 into 0.5, 14.5 into 0.5, 14.5 into 0.5 will be 14.5 multiplied by 0.5 will be equal to 7.25. 7.5 minus 7.25, so 12.5 B equal to 7.5 and 0.25. So B is equal to 0.25 plus divided by 12.5. B is 0.25 divided by 12.5, 0.25. 0.25 divided by 12.5, 0.25 divided by 12.5 will equal to 0.02. So B is 0.02 grams. So A will be, as we know, A plus B is 0.5. So A is B is 0.02. So A will be 0.5 minus 0.02. So 0.5 minus 0.02, 0.5 minus 0.02 equals to 0.48. A will be 0.48. So if I take the percentage, 0.48 divided by 0.5 into 100. So this will be around close to 96%. 96% of K₂CO₃. So in A option only 96% K₂CO₃, remaining 4% will be allied to CO3. Okay. Thank you.